Main entrance door. How come they got in the bottom they got gap?
I don't know. You have to ask them.
They should not have a gap or not?
No, but we have.
Huh?
I said no, but we do.
So you're gonna put a stopper on it?
You can if you want.
So what is the main other option for that one?
Put door stoppers at the front.
Put the stopper.
Not door stoppers, the flaps,
Flaps.
like we've got in our doors.
Yeah, okay. So this is the main entrance. And lounge room. Lounge room downstairs. Lounge room area. So far, doing the plastering. Okay, main entrance ceiling. Electrical rooms, no ceiling yet. We have door already. Let's see. Electrical room. Okay, hallway going. Doors going to the garage. This is tower. Is this way going to the garage, that one. Not fixed, it's not finished, it's not done yet. So this is the door. Door going to the garage. And this is guest room downstairs, master bedroom downstairs. This is the clothes cabinet. This one in here, the other one there's no door yet. It's not done yet, no lights yet, but the door is already folded on. So this is the room. See, the ceiling. Ceiling downstairs. Okay, now not finished yet. Shower, toilet, and wash basin. Door is already putting on. Okay, now I proceed to the other area. So supposedly this is underground storage room. I can't get in there yet because hi?
It's understairs storage.
Understairs storeroom. Already tiles in there. The door is all just not hung yet. So this is a linen room. This linen closet. This in from here. Here. Hi?
The living closet's not where the door is.
No door.
No, the living closet's there.
Linen closet there. Yeah. Linen closet where this gentleman is standing there. And this is a toilet. Oh, it's locked.
Because they've got a storage in there.
Ah, it's locked now because they put some equipment to be locked in that room. So there's a toilet and wash basin. So we're going to the kitchen area. We're going here first. This is a lounge area downstairs. Hi?
Family room.
Family room. This area, circle in here, square in here is the family room. And this area in here is the dining room. From here, where I stand, going that way. So the one design ceiling for the lounge family room. Now we're going to the kitchen area. See this gentleman? Hello. Sitting down, watching. Sign in the kitchen. They have 3 lights hanging in there. This one here to put the fridge, cabinet, gas range, flashback, sink. See? And then we're going to the stock room.
Pantry.
Pantry. Huh?
Pantry.
Pantry. Oh, so we call that one is stock room. So pantry in here. And on dishwasher in here. Put it because we got no place to put it on. And this is the laundry area here. This is the laundry area here. Okay, now we move to the, what's that? Espresso?
Espresso.
Express.
Alfresco.
Alfresco. We still got equipment in there. Now this one, espresso. Manhole gonna be in the espresso?
Huh?
Manhole?
Yeah, I'd say so. And fan.
Do you have a manhole in here?
Yes. How else do you get into that part of the roof?
No, I'm going upstairs. Going upstairs. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 15 steps. Oh. Fifteen steps stairs. Ceiling underneath
That's
the
all finish.
stairs. Okay. We're going to the back first before we go. This is the linen closet. No doors yet. And This is the computer room. No door shit. They said they're gonna install the doors today.
I don't know.
That bathtub, they're gonna move to the other room. So this is the computer room, office room, and others.
Spare room.
Spare room is converted to spare room as well if you got too many guests. Then we got room in here. I'm not gonna go in there because so that view there, that's the high school. And run. They put install some already grills in here. Closing. The ceiling in here, just simple design, but I like it. I like it, very simple but elegant. Okay, proceed to the other room. One. Close it earlier. And in here, try to tidy up something. Another view in there. So this is the third room. This is the toilet and wash basin. And this is the shower, wash basin, and bathtub. Bath area. See, you already have a window grill there. Again, now proceed to. And then that one, back to the master bedroom. So this area here is for family room area upstairs. So this door in here is going to the, what I'm gonna call my disco area.
Your dance floor.
Dancing floor around the top
Veranda.
veranda. In the top of the garage, that's the door in there. Going to the dance area of karaoke or entertainment area. That's one. It's downstairs. That's the garage. No garage yet. And these doors going to the master bedroom. This is the closet in master bedroom.
God, that's about the same size as our bedroom at home.
Yeah. Electrical. See the insulation. It's not finished putting the ceiling. So we can't get through to the toilet because it's a bit dangerous. So this one going to veranda. This way. This one's gonna be a sliding door. Glass sliding door here. And that's the veranda around there. And that's the view in there. Going to the road. Next door the high school. That one, high school building. Cockfight area. This is the bed. So I think I'm gonna squeeze in here, going to the bathroom and the shower.
Stuck.
If I'm stuck,
Not that it's going to be into Maybe he must went back to you.
Only skinny. See, this is the he's on her sink. He's on her shower area. And that's the toilet there. I mean, the toilet there's on. So there's no ceiling yet. Oh, it's nice breeze. The window, wow. Nice air. Now it's done. So just wait for my next update, okay? Bye for now.
How long did the video go for?
And 15 minutes.